Good afternoon. I'm him. Today is Friday, the 17th, and I'm working. So, yeah, that's really it. I gotta do some more setup. I had to restart my computer because I don't know, things happened. All right. So I have a hunch from yesterday that may explain why I'm not getting confirmed deliveries. And I was like, you know what? This is a Flutter app. I don't remember setting a bundle identifier explicitly setting. I do remember, giving my project a name, but I also went back and changed my bundle identifier to be another app, so I wouldn't have to set up another app in OneSignal for my Flutter thing. I now think that is the reason why it's not working. I don't actually know that. I'm be real. I actually don't know. Notifications come in, so that would maybe lead you to expect that confirmed deliveries would work as well. And when I say confirmed deliveries, I really mean that the NSE is being called and the right things are happening. So yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can verify that is the issue, and we'll go from there. And in the process of trying to see if this is the issue, I'm going to start a new Flutter project so I can take screenshots of certain things, as well as see if these new steps that I'm taking a lot of notes. I want to see if these notes are going to be helpful in making sure that I don't run into the same issues. So yeah, that's kind of what's planned for today. But before I do that, I'm going to try one more time to get a confirmed delivery. I don't want to give up just yet. Okay, I have no idea how to open the terminal in this thing. Oh, excuse me. Maybe I will show my phone. No, it's not working. Oh, there we go. All right, cool. So there's some traffic that's occurring up here. That's what this is. making some edits to my scene a little bit. All right, sorry. All right, so what I'm going to try is send a new notification. So I'm going to create another one of these windows and we'll split it. All right, need to figure out what my subscription ID is. And I should be able to find that here in these requests that are going out. So we see the app ID, users by one signal ID. What I'm going to do is grab my subscription ID here, which should be in this request, maybe in the response. Oh, it's in the URL. I'm done. Haha, it's in the URL. I wonder if I can copy this. Yes and no. Copy it this way. Do that. Oops. I need to put a message. So this is going to be testing. And this is confirmed delivery, right? So I'll just type that confirmed delivery. And we won't hear any noise because of reasons. Oh, see, this is my actual phone or one of my phones. So let me close everything. All right, well, we'll go out of, no, I can't go out of work mode, so because then my phone will start ringing. So let's try this again. All right, here we are. And what I want to do is go back and see if I see any new requests. So it's 400. This is the thing that was throwing me off last time. I was like, is this the thing that's failing? So if we go to this response, you get this right here, this RYW token invalid. And we are sending that's a Cloudflare, if I can speak. It's a Cloudflare cookie. So I don't think it's relevant to me. Okay. I see that there is an update to a record that's going on. And it's my session time. I should probably do is, oh, before I do that, I'm going to come to here. Just in case there's work stuff that I don't want. Identity verification. Close that. All right, I think I'm good. Yeah. Cool. So here is a thing, and I want to say my subscription should be here. 8 something. I've already forgotten what it is. God dang it. It took me no time at all to forget. It's 8E. Okay. All right. 8E. Here we are. Push notifications sent. I'm not seeing any confirmations. 117. That looks like today. No confirmed. Okay, so let's go do some digging first. All right, so first thing, I want to look at my main target, which in Flutter is called runner. And this right here is what I think could be part of the issue. I changed this because of reasons. I didn't actually name this project that. Let's see if there is a name in here. Pub spec, I think it would be. So this is called Flutter Setup Guide. This app, I think, had a different bundle identifier before. Now I don't remember doing a commit, so there's no way I can go back in history and figure that out. So that's part of this new thing that I'm about to do. So I'm gonna bootstrap a new Flutter project, but this time I'm gonna actually use Git so I can keep track of my changes for notes, note-taking purposes. So easy, and I think it's a cheating way of keeping track of what you've done. So we're going to do new Flutter project. Flutter path, sure. This current Flutter setup guide is going to go away. And where do I want this to be? I think this current one is in the root. Not root. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's put 2. Like that. So I know it's different. And actually, no, I don't want to do that. I actually want it to be this because I'm going to take screenshots. So I'll just do it the right way. Let me figure out where the current one is. So go and check. Okay, so it's currently in this Flutter setup guide. Okay. Let's put this in one signal dev, something devrel or whatever it is. That. Okay. We're going to do no Mac OS, no Linux, no web, no Windows. And I have no idea what create project offline means. But before I even do that, there's another thing I might want to do first. So we'll do Flutter upgrade. Okay, so there was a patch release. I'm curious, do any of y'all know how other people are able to do their live streams or whatever with music and not get copyright, whatever? Come here, Roscoe. All right, look at that. No issues found. All right. Let's go ahead and create setup. Is already taken by the Flutter setup guide. What? What? Why is it saying? Oh, haha, I'm dumb. Huh, okay. The project directory does not exist. Yeah. Okay. No, it doesn't exist. That's the point. Flutter setup. Okay, all right, perfect. Okay. So I'm gonna have 2 of these, and let's see, Flutter. This isn't a good repo, is it? No, it's not. Look at that. I don't know why I'm using it. I shouldn't be using the CLI. I have this whole tool that does all this for me. What is this? Bootstrap Flutter. Cool. All right. I don't think YouTube likes it. Well, it's not. It's the people who own all of the licenses, or they basically own the rights to music. That's basically what it is. They don't create it, but somehow they control it. Anyway, let's get some things cleared out to make my life a little bit easier. So this is the theme. Try, don't care. Oops. This is just noise to me, so I'm removing it because I hate noise. It's almost like they didn't get the memo that people don't read. You can't write a novel in your code and expect people to actually read it. All right, let's do some more committing. All right, next step I think is, how do I want, I think I want people to set up the pub spec first. Yeah, let's have them do the pub spec first. So, yeah, because they may not want to do iOS. They may not be doing iOS. So we'll do the thing that everyone has to do regardless. So that'll be to come here and again, delete all this crap. All right, how do you do find replace in this? Is it find in files? I don't know how to use this whatever this thing is, Android Studio. I just need like a way to do a find replace. Okay, here we are. Can I do a regular expression? Yes, I can. Look at that. Aha. So we want to have any line that starts with this, and we want to go all the way to the end. I wonder why I don't need that. it looks like it's selecting it, but I can't tell because it's doing this weird. All right, whatever. Let's just see. Replace all. All right, yeah. All right. That kind of. No, that didn't do it. I don't understand why this isn't working. I want the beginning of a line. It should start with this. I guess they all have a space. And then there should be multiple words that goes to the end of a line. But that doesn't work. I will just delete it manually. It's fine. It's easy to do. Don't have time to play silly games with my tools today. Well, I guess I do have time. I just don't want to deal with it. Okay. So we have our dependencies, dev dependencies, and then whatever this Flutter is. Okay, so this will be the same thing. This is just cleaning up stuff. Okay. Oh, here we are. This. Okay. Twitch streamers have no music on their YT streams. Yeah, so in the past, I was streaming to Twitch and I did used to play music that I actually like. Unfortunately, I don't have a way right now to stream, like have a separate stream that goes only to YouTube. I stream to all platforms at once. Now, maybe when I get my new Mac Studio, maybe, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one, but if I end up keeping it, I can just stream to two different places and I can have two different, basically two different audio feeds. But the reason why I'm streaming with the music that you hear every day is because this is music that I have rights to use. I paid a lot of money to use it too. I don't get my money's worth either. It's like 300 and some a year. All right, so we got that part. Next, I think what I want to have people do is a, what do you call it? I want them to do the prerequisites, but I guess what I can, I want them to do the prerequisites. So the next thing would be to have them go into their whatever this is and open up the runner. And this is also where I'll see if the bundle ID is something that I expect. But before I do that, let's go open up our pod file, which doesn't exist yet. Interesting. Wait, how can that not exist yet? I'm confused. Maybe it gets generated eventually. Let's see what that... Okay, here we are. So this is the bundle identifier, the original one. So I'm going to create an app group based off of this now. Also, before I continue on, let me make sure... I need to make sure I understand the differences of what I'm making changes to in our Flutter guide. So we already have a guide, but it's out of date. Then I'll have a second guide that I'm working on that you don't see right now, but you're seeing me do the work. I've already started this, but I need to see what the difference is between what I'm doing and what we already have. I guess I could have people do that first. Let's come back to here. Okay, so they add the thing. Okay, all that's useless, doesn't matter. I wonder if it's in my best interest to tell people to install the thing now. I don't think so. Okay, maybe I would be good to do the pub spec thing. So let's do that. Pub get, is that what it is? I don't know. No, it's not. I'll just click this. Flutter pub outdated for more information. Okay, let's see what are the changes. So, okay, it is adding the pod stuff. So for pod file or whatever they call it, we get 2 new configs and the pod file. Okay, here's our pod file. Okay, so we added. It's good to know. Okay, so there are new files here, so I think I have to add them manually. So this is install the Flutter package. Yeah. Okay. Looking good. Good. Is it history? I think history. No, is it show? No, it's not that either. Guys, I forgot the command. I used to know these things back when I used to do this for real. Oh, it's get log. I'm dumb. There we are. It's get log. It comes by quickly. So, all right, we bootstrap, clean up noise. We don't care about those. In fact, what I may end up doing is basically rebasing and merging those first 3 commits because they don't really matter to me. So we add the OS SDK, install the Flutter package, which gives us whatever the stuff that we just looked at. And I'm not gonna do this. This is gonna happen later. So that this is something that I'm purposefully ignoring now. This will be in the setup section. So after here will be the iOS prerequisites. And it's not necessarily in order to it. It's gonna be iOS prerequisites and Android prerequisites. And then after that, I'll do SDK setup or something like that. I have another, here we are. Here's my reference, right? So requirements, prerequisites, except here, this is iOS, I don't have to say it, but another one will be iOS prerequisites and Android prerequisites, and then setup. And that's where I'll talk about the import and all that kind of crap. All right, so next thing is we're gonna add a capability or add capabilities to the app. Make sure I'm looking at the right one. Yep, this one. Come into here. This is not going to be my account, but this one. Why is it trying to use a device that's not even connected? I don't want it to use that device. Use one of these simulators. Which none of them are running, of course. All right, let's start up a Oh, actually, no. I think my iPhone 14 is a developer device. Yeah, There we go. Cool. So I'm pretty sure that resulted in something. Yeah. This is something that I don't think matters. Yeah, I don't think this matters. Perhaps this should be ignored. But before I do that, I am going to add the capability, because if it adds it to this, then it does matter and I have to keep it. So we'll do push notifications. All right, and that adds a new file. And it also, wait, did it also do some things? Development, code sign entitlements. Running dot entitlement. Okay, yeah, all right. Dang it. I'm not sharing this project, and obviously I can't now because the development team is somewhat, for whatever reason, is stored as a part of the project, which makes no sense at all. So I get to do both of these at the same time. Why is this complaining? Failed to register bundle. Yeah, I know, because it's not available. Change the bundle name. So this will put me in potentially the same issue that I'm trying to just like figure out if that's the reason. I changed my bundle identifier after the fact. Let's see if that's kosher. Flutter change iOS bundle identifier after Bootstrap. Oh, actually, there was someone at work suggested another search engine. I think you have to pay for it, but who knows? Maybe it's worth it. Let's see. Actually, no, we'll tie it to GitHub for now. Come in this browser. I don't have my own thing. Start searching. If it's good, I will pay for it. So let me just take this out of here. Dump it here. Okay, so maybe this is what I should do here, or should have done. For package name, just changing build.gradle only. Okay, for iOS, change the bundle identifier from your... So I can change it. This is the answer though. This is probably what I should have did. But that's okay. It's okay. This will give me an opportunity to see if I can just do this and it'll be okay. So this is going to be once. Wait, can I not change it? So one signal. Flutter setup guide. Now, before I do that, we have this convention. I mean, I don't know if the naming convention really matters, but it maybe does matter if you don't want to have to go and change or customize some other stuff. Where did it go? What? Oh, here we are. I'm going to use my doc. It makes a little more sense to me. this shouldn't say identity verification. This should say iOS setup guide. I am realizing I have not updated this yet. Let me go update that now before I forget again. Why am I missing? Wait, what? I don't see my work. Oh, now, okay. All right, maybe I'm dumb. Maybe I just didn't see it. Okay. WRP. And of course that doesn't show up. iOS setup guide? No, of course not. Search doesn't work. Why would I expect that to work? Stuff like this really takes me out of my zone. Like man, this really slows me down. I shouldn't be reduced to scrolling through a list of things to find information. Here we are. I love I click it and then I had to re-find it again. That's a great user experience right there. It does do that to, yeah, it's that way. So iOS setup guide, product name, bundle identifier. Yeah, it kind of sucks that this isn't that, but that's okay. I can come back and change it later, maybe, if it's really that big of a deal. It's only a big deal to me, I'm not even gonna lie. I care about consistency between things. It could be, you can consider it a problem if you really wanted to. Okay, so I'm going to do this because I want to take a screenshot. So we'll do devrel, or not, delete devrel. And let me see how I took that screenshot last time, because I want it to be the same. This looks like I cut it. Oh my gosh, this is really, I can't see my images anymore. This sucks. Yeah, this was definitely a crop. So I'm pretty sure the size of the window was what, maybe from here to here? No. Was that the size? Oh man, I forgot. I should have noted this down. Can I wait? See, now I didn't keep the full. Oh, you know what? I have it. I have it. I remember taking screenshots and I kept them. My trackpad isn't working. That's great. Okay, there we go. iOS setup images. Look at that. Original. See, man, this is what happens when you do stuff the right way. All right, look at that. That tells me the size of the window. I'm pretty sure that's the size of that. So we'll go ahead and move on. Just click on something else. Come back here. All right. Make sure there's nothing that I don't want to be here. Yeah. Why is it unable to update settings? Okay. I need to make a new folder for Flutter. Oh, I already have it. Look at that. So this is add push notification. I don't know. Capability. And this is going to be what? Prereq. Step 1. That. What's up, Zone OP? I don't know who else I would be other than him. What did I just take a screenshot of? Did I take a screenshot of the right thing? Or did I just click on something? Oh yeah, okay. I just clicked on something. I'm like, wait, this is not the right thing. All right, so we got a screenshot. And let me make sure that there are no other, okay. Did I ever commit this? I didn't. So we're gonna commit all of this. So we add push capability. No. Let's reset. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna finally do the thing that I was saying that I should have did and use the tool. I am working on a getting started with Flutter for one signal guide. I am trying to go through all of the issues that I would expect people to go through. And I'm trying to figure out solutions or a sequence of steps that you can go through where you will not go through issues. And if you are very curious to know what issues you can go through, you can follow the last few, what do you call these things? Co-working, whatever. What virtual hour? Yeah, whatever I call this. I don't know what this is, but it's in the title of the stream you're watching. So there are others, and they're in order by date. So yeah. Last time I was trying to get a screenshot and I went through a bunch of different things that you wouldn't expect someone who's just trying to get a screenshot to be doing, but I got my screenshot yesterday. It was epic. Or what's that the day before? I don't remember. It's been too long. All right, let's add my repo, which I think I put here. Yeah, I did. Flutter something. Where's the Flutter stuff? Flutter setup guide. There we go. All right. The reason why I'm doing it this way is because I need to do. There's certain pieces of this file that I want to stage. I think because I forgot what I just did last time. So. Not all of this is relevant to what I just did. Okay, this is the part that's irrelevant to what I just did. So I'm going to just remove that for now. Flutter, yep, change that. Entitlements, yep, change that again here. And this is the last one, entitlement path group. Okay, yeah, look at that. So I just want to remove those, unstage those honks. As they would say in Gitland, and we're gonna add push capability, capability. I'm pretty sure that's how you spell words. And this is going to be update bundle identifier. And I want to do this. Oh wait, hold on, undo. All right. I want to do the same thing over here in the Gradle build, whatever that is. Build Android app build Gradle app. Is it this one? Project name. Where's this freaking variable defined? My gosh. not there. That's for sure. I should start doing some co-working streams too. I feel like this is a good way to stop picking up my phone and start scrolling while I'm working. Wait, if you're working, how you scrolling on your phone? Yeah, you should. You should, definitely. Especially if what you're doing is something that you think other people may find value, or maybe it'll give them a glimpse into what that particular career field is like. In my case, when I first started streaming years ago, it was because people used to ask me all the time, oh, what do you do? It's just like, it's like, I would be like, I'm an engineer, but they don't really know what that is and what that entails. So I started streaming because I hate that question. Here we are. This is the thing that, all right, here's my app. It's called application ID. Okay, I thought it was the product name, but no, maybe not. No, there's two. Look at this. There's the names. Oh, God dang it. If I change this namespace, am I gonna break everything? And this ID right here. Oh wait, no, not that. Yeah, let's see. Is this used anywhere else? This namespace variable, maybe? Nope. Only here. Okay, that's promising. What about this? Well, this doesn't really prove that it's only used here, but maybe it is. So we have that, and then this project name. Where is this coming from? This project name. So is it like some global context or scope that Gradle gives you when it's doing a build? I'm going to try it. I'm going to just see what happens. So we're going to do a little bit of that. And I want to not do that. It copied it as, what is this? Regular expression. Okay. I mean, that's kind of a cool feature, I suppose, that it will automatically escape characters for you. One signal Flutter setup guide. Yeah, we're going to replace all. Make sure that that matches with what I have over here. Next code, one signal Flutter setup guide. One signal Flutter setup guide. Okay, yeah, that's it. This is the Android way of doing things, got to be different. Let's see here. It's usually when I'm working on my side projects, not actually working on my job. That's honestly when I started these, that's what this was. It was, I don't know if you would call it. I started when I was building my own product for the company that I founded. And this was like a while after the fact, but I did have internal video similar to this, but I had music, and I would sometimes have other folks around, who would come in, I'm helping or whatever, explaining certain things or going over product ideas, all that kind of stuff. I believed in recording everything because I come from a remote work culture back at GitHub, back in those days. So it's like there are certain things that I expect, and one of those was that we don't have face-to-face, so we have to strive to create an environment that's similar to that, which meant anytime there was a Zoom call, everybody's cameras are on, everyone's mic is unmuted. I don't want to have to wait for someone to go and unmute stuff. No. And I also had this thing where you would get kicked out of my meeting if you didn't have the things. But everything was recorded anyway, and I can go back and have notes and all that kind of stuff to share. So you don't have to be there. All right, anyway. I think I can commit, so I will commit. And I don't even know if this is gonna work. Maybe I don't wanna do that right now. Maybe I'm gonna focus on iOS for now, and I'll come back to that. So we have the push capability, and before I move on, let me come back to here, and I will create a new branch, and this is going to be Android setup. Yeah, cool. Do the thing. We'll bring these changes over to here, and I'll commit it here. update app ID to match iOS. Match iOS. All right, cool. Yep, and we'll come back to here. So yeah, we're good now. I'm gonna add a new capability. This will be background modes with the remote notifications. All right, that's cool. And the final thing that I'm going to do is add the app groups listing. I'm going to create a new one this time around. Just pop that in there. It's going to be the name of the thing, that Flutter setup guide .1 signal or something like that. I have to confirm. Yeah. Follow my own instructions, right? Flutter setup guide, one signal, Flutter setup guide. Okay. It should create this. It should create it. Anyway, the next thing is going to add a new target. So far, I've experienced no issue. So this is good. If I experience an issue because I'm doing this all and I'm tracking it all in Git, I'll just revert and then do it another way. And if there's no issue, I'll keep going. So by the time I'm done, I will have a log of what order of steps you need. So that's why I'm basically using Git to cheat. I'm not about to use my head. Why would I do that? So we're going to do a something extension, notification service extension, this thing. It needs to be called a certain thing. So one signal service, notification service. Do I name this? Because I don't want to have to type this. This is too hard. Add notification service, NSC enables your, I don't care for the detailed links right now. Add Apple's service application. No. Okay. So I need to make sure I tell people it needs to be named a certain thing. Yeah, this needs to be named. More information, add background modes, add notification service, extension target. Okay. Okay. All right. So this is also required for your. What is this complaining? Enables is correct. Suggest that trash to me. All right. It's required for confirmed deliveries. Choose options for your new. I have to make sure I spell this, type it correctly at least once in my life. So it's one signal, notification, extension. I'm going to use product name because that's what it says here. So we're going to say the product name, and that's a proper noun. Okay, one signal. Oh, and I should, okay, let me copy and paste what I just wrote. One signal. No, this is wrong. It's already wrong. Okay, this is one signal notification service extension. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it, but I don't trust myself anymore. What did I do last time? Service extension. I still don't trust myself because I did this last time. I don't know if that's actually what it should be, but I'm going to use it. If it doesn't work, I'll fix it later. Okay. Language is all good. Oh, I forgot to do this. Add main target to app group. Some of these steps that I've done can be in a different order, but I already have ordered them here. So it's mostly going to be this. I'm just trying to see what the difference is between just straight iOS is and Flutter. So far, there's none, and that's what I expected, but you never know. One signal notification service extension. Let me see if that's consistent with the older one signal notification. So yeah, that okay. I'm gonna copy this. I don't trust my spelling. It might be the same thing, but I don't care. I'll just now I feel safe doing this. Don't activate. All right, cool. So we have a new NSE. And I want to add the NSE to this app group thing. I've already forgot what I called it. I'm gonna have to look for it. Man, I really dislike whatever this is. This iOS or Xcode. It should be group.one signal. I'm not seeing it. Group.flutter setup guide. This one. Okay. All right, next, I think I go to here, build, or is it runner, build phases, yeah. So this needs to be before we thin the binary. And that will, okay, so that part's done. And that next is I need to convert this to a group or whatever the hell is that. First, you know what? I don't understand what the difference between a group and a folder is in Xcode. Let me figure that out. Maybe I can say something a little more intelligent. Apple developer Xcode group. first folder. Oh, by the way, here's a pro tip that I learned today. If you do -AI, okay, it doesn't work. Never mind. I had to go back and look at the tip, make sure I read it correctly. But apparently you can, oh wait, hold on. I forgot. I'm not even supposed to be using Google anymore. Where's my new search engine? Man, I got off that fast. All right, I don't see my new search engine yet. We're gonna use that. Whatever, Kagi. Search. I love that I'm not the only one with this question. Let's see what the difference was. Groups Xcode stores in the project a reference to each individual file. Folders references are simpler. You can spot a folder reference because it shows up in blue instead of yellow. Well, good sir, mine doesn't show up in either one of those colors. It shows up as gray. Folders are blue for me. Anyway, so we're just going to say convert NSE to a group. And I'll dump this in here for future record keeping. So we'll say SO source. Reason why I formatted this as Markdown is because on GitHub, it parses Markdown. So that'll show up as a link. It'll say SO some whatever I said for the anchor. I don't remember what I typed. Okay, so all that's done. I think that's all well and good and all that kind of stuff. I need to update the NSE. Notification service. And I have code that I can just dump in here. Get rid of that. Oh, excuse me. There we are. So I want this code. All right, fine. I can't copy it. Okay, one signal extension. So we can't build this yet. That's the thing. Yeah, I get that. There's no extension yet. That's cool. Okay. We'll go ahead and delete all that. These comments are not helpful for me, so I'm deleting them. And I'm gonna okay, I was about to say, like, where did this comment come from? So I don't want that. This should stay. That should stay. So I'm gonna leave that there. So this is going to be implement NSE using OS sourced code. And I'll just discard that. So now we get back my little comment. Great. Okay. Now let's solve this issue right here. It's, oh, I can't find the thing. So we'll do the pod install, I think. Let me see what I had before. Oh, okay. This needs to happen first. Okay. So then it's going to be go update the pod file. Yeah. So one signal notification. Oh, the name was here. I could have just used that. Okay. So yep, save that. Update pod file. And this needs to end in a new line. right, and then this next thing is going to be to actually install the packages. So that would be pod. Is it pod? Okay, it is. Yeah, pod install. I'm like, I don't know if it's pod or pods. We're going to use the version on the disk. One signal release target. Don't care. Don't care. None of this I care. Okay, none of that I care about. Now, but you see that got rid of whatever the little thing it was bothering me about. So we're gonna say install one signal package and then see, or I guess and just install pod file pods. Okay. So far, oh yeah, decent. Now this isn't gonna work yet because I created a new platform. So my app that I'm using, I can't use anymore. I don't think. I can find my app. Okay, which of course I can't find it. Why would I be able to find anything? Okay, dashboard. Oh, I legit had to create a new one. Okay, well that, sure. Oh wait, no, I have it's just called DevRel, I think. Oh gosh, yeah, I'm gonna have to create a new, god dang it. Oh, oh man, I had to create a whole new thing. Or to wait, is that the app I've been using? If that's the app, then I think I understand now why I haven't been getting confirmed deliveries. But I don't think that's it. That can't be. It was like a 4CC, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 4C66. Yeah, that's what it was. Which is my identity verification one. So that's making me think that maybe my app group was fine. Yeah. Let me go back to my other Xcode app here. And let's change something. So this is one signal DevRel. Come on now. So let's delete that. Wait, no, that has to stay there. That has to stay there. I can't change that. Okay, this is the problem. So I want basically this, but I'm gonna have DevRel in there. Although it shouldn't matter. I thought the app group, it just needs to be the same. If I'm not mistaken, it just needs to be the same. I'm gonna try to create a new one of these. Group, do it bigger. So it's gonna be group. No. What did I have in, what did I write last time? Okay. Let's have Xcode created for me as it claims it's going to do. If this works, what I think I'm going to end up doing is changing it back to what it was, and then confirming that if I go to my there's like a plist setting that, or not a setting, a plist value that I can add to my info .plist file, and it's all lowercase. Okay, all right, let's try that. Oh, I should have copied that. Yeah, okay, shit, okay. I am assuming that this is the right group. The only way to really tell is to go and look at the old one, which... Where is this at? Random Flutter. Wait, what did I just add? One signal. Okay, it was this entitlement up here. That so. Notification entitlements. Here we are. Group. Oh wait. No, that's not it. Group identity verification one signal. I thought I literally just changed this. I'm looking at the, oh, I'm dumb. I'm looking at the wrong thing. I changed it on the runner, not the other thing. So let's see if I can find the runner. A lot of runners in here. You know what? Maybe I can find it based off of the dot one signal. And I might need to, I don't know if this is gonna, oh, okay. It didn't do it as a regular expression. That's good. Okay, we're good. So that's my bundle identifier. I don't know what these things are called, so I had to just search for it until I see something that looks familiar. It's definitely like bundle. Oh, here we are. This is what I want right here. Group com one signal, dev rel identity verification one signal. So I'll just take that and I'm gonna delete that, plop that here. It's not gonna create a new one, it's just gonna be the one. Okay, all right. Let's see if, wait, oh, I'm tripping. Okay, I'm like, what just happened? This is the old guy right here, all right? Yeah, I know it's confusing. I'm going to deploy this to my iPhone 14. And before I do that, I'm going to delete the app. All right, cool. Rebuild it. Actually, I don't want to do that yet. I'm going to do a clean of everything. And let's have it build itself again. Invalid pod file. Did I change the pod file somewhere? Looks like I did. What did I do? Oh, look at that. I added a space. Okay. See, this is why Git is helpful. All right, so save that and let's try that again. It should work this time. I will say that the error that it gave me is so nonsensical considering the solution was delete a space. Unable to verify app. I don't care. An internet connection is required to verify trust on Apple developer. William, this app will not be available until identified. What do you mean? The request to open one single dev identity verification failed. Okay. Cancel. So I can't. What? Call one signal dev role identity verification. One signal. Come on, group. Come on, signal. Can't be registered to my development team. I don't understand that. I am definitely allowed to do this unless that was just changed just now. Sign name on single. All right, let me change this to another team. Which it called it to fail, which is fine. Maybe it just needs to be like, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, this provisioning thing, right? Maybe that needs to be done. Wait, 1110. Maybe I was trying to build it for the wrong device. So this is 16. This is 14. Let's see if we can get it to work this time. Okay, so I gotta go and do more stuff, I guess. I wonder if this has anything to do with my man in the middle proxy that I'm using. The Apple device certificate? I don't see that. Delete that. All right, I'm very lost now. This is something that's been working consistently until just now. Now it's talking about this crap. one signal dev rel identity verification one signal. Okay, let's go to my app IDs. I'm cleaning up app IDs. Signal and Flutter. Yep, that can go away. Man, this is really slow. I wonder if there's an API that I can hit that I can do this quicker. Because Apple keeps refreshing my search every single time. It's really annoying. All right. Let's refresh. Some of these things should be gone now. Group com, signal dev rel. Wait, did that get created? Identity verification. Okay, I'm gonna change this back. Dev rel. Dev rel identity verification. Okay. Wait, what? Cleaning failed? Is there another issue going on? Oh, this is the Flutter one. Oh gosh, okay. I wonder if this whole time I've been trying to, yeah, I've been in the wrong one. This is user error. Yeah, this is user error. This is what I get for having two projects named the same thing, basically. I thought I called one of these 2. But it's not showing me where this folder is. This is code Flutter. Okay, so this is the one that I don't want to deal with right now. I mean, I can. Let's fix the problem. Okay. This is in random. This one right here. All right, so if I do clean now, it should, okay, it fails again, okay. Pods runner not found. All right, I have no idea what's going on at this point. I'm gonna close that. Group Flutter. So I thought I deleted that. I thought I just deleted that. What the hell? Let's look for app groups. Group dot Flutter setup. Okay, that doesn't exist. right, I guess it created it this time. Let me refresh. And let's see. Nope, don't see it. Still failing. Interesting. Why does it keep switching my phone? This is really annoying. I have never said that I want my phone to be connected to my computer, yet somehow it's connected wirelessly. I don't understand. Why do they make it so hard for me to control what happens on my device? Oh gosh, this is really fucking annoying. Yeah, I don't even see my iPhone 15 here yet. For whatever reason, it keeps showing up here. And then it's switching to it automatically. That's not what I want. All right, I think I've maybe irreparably damaged. I don't know. This like, I don't know if this is a Flutter issue or if I've done something with my account where I can no longer, do certain things. This is annoying. It's telling me my phone's not a development device, and I don't understand. But you know what? Maybe I can get around it. I will use a simulator. If it doesn't work on the simulator, then all right, I'm just gonna call it a day and go enjoy my weekend. The last day of decent weather that we're gonna have in a while. Build errors. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's it. I'm out.